I love that little shithead, no matter how many it is. A lot of y'all are already going to know this from last night. It's called Stuck on 17. It's the first country song ever.
Church!
Potatoes and sweet peas making me a little. What, Mama? You need a bowl? What, she need a bowl? Here, hey, give me another one.
She's pregnant!
Here, give this to her. She needs one before I
She's
get here.
pregnant!
It's hot, you son of a bitch. Dude, no problem, man. You always gotta watch out for your people, dude. Whether it's water or fucking driving 8 miles an hour. Seriously. That's what I really love about you guys, and I really appreciate it. We had 2 fights break out last night, but you know, hey, one of them was a girl. She sucked the fuck out of this dude.